Boom! Welcome back to the channel. I'm Hank Strange. This is StrangerPalooza. This is Nick Schmidt of Sunshine State RVs.
What's up, Hank?
What's up?
We're in sunny Gainesville, Florida today.
Yes, very sunny.
Make it back to the East Coast. You've been out gallivanting all over the West Coast the last month.
I knew that was coming. I knew that was coming.
You leave me here in the heat, and you get to go see the beautiful West Coast, and
you
you
were
spend a month
having
in your
fun.
van.
You were having some fun too. I follow you. Today we're looking at a Chinook, 2024 Chinook.
2024 Chinook.
What are we looking at?
We are looking at the brand new Maverick. So this is the Maverick SS, and this has a ton of new features that some of the older ones didn't have. This is on the Ford Transit chassis, all-wheel drive.
I like that they optioned this with the xenon headlights. Not everyone has that, so cool.
I like that. I like the paint. So
It's a great paint job.
Silver,
Yep.
from the bumpers to the grill to the hood.
It looks good.
It is sharp.
Yeah.
It is really,
Yeah, that's really something
sharp.
you would see on a lot of Class A's out there.
Is.
Yeah.
But I like how the whole thing
Yeah.
is uniform, which is really nice.
Yep.
You know, I also like their cap, the way that they do it. It is a B+. It doesn't feel like a big van when you're inside. It doesn't feel like it when you're driving it.
Mm-hmm.
They do so much to make sure that this drive is very, very comfortable, from the hush mat to upgrading the suspension to making it really, really comfortable. Something that's cool on a lot of B+, you don't see any outside storage.
Yeah, so lots of storage here.
But on these here, you have some really cool outside storage.
Yeah.
That you just don't see.
That's the benefit, right, of the box.
Right.
So to speak.
And this is one of the ones that's like Truma rated to go negative 10 degrees. I mean, very thick, very well insulated, to where Truma does this test and they pass, like Truma tests like 100 different points of the van.
Okay.
And it passed with flying colors that the entire van is very, very well insulated.
Okay, so this is Truma On Board?
This is Truma certified, Truma On Board. It has the power awning, Girard awning on this side here. And it has, even this has what's kind of kind of unique. There's no other RV in the world that I know about that has a rear entry.
Gives them the opportunity to make a completely different floor plan than what you would normally see.
Because so many RVs are like the exact same.
Yeah.
There's just like the same floor plan, the same layout, the same everything, to where this just has a different feel. Yeah. A different look, a different feel.
Yeah.
I think this is cool too. So this is like a little bar. You put your little blender here. You can mix some smoothies.
You have cooler,
you got some storage,
ice machine, or whatever you want
ice
here.
machine.
Yeah.
You got a plug, a little 110 plug right there. So,
very nice.
I like having storage here. Yeah. It does have a tow hitch as well. This being the Ford Transit is the all-wheel drive V6 EcoBoost engine, which is neat. Yep. It does have the smart plug, which here at Sunshine State RVs, we teach you how to use this plug along with everything else on this van.
Yeah, great plug.
Very thorough walkthrough, teach you how to use everything. This is where all of your stuff is. So what's neat, so you have a outside shower with the shower head right here, hot water, cold water, and all of your dumping. All your
controls,
all of your dumping stuff is there. But if you do make a mess, Hank, like I know you've done before.
Many times.
You have a hose here to clean your mess up.
I would just say to people, make sure, like I see this has a black tank. Yeah. Make sure that gate is closed. Before you go open it up, make sure the gate is closed. I've been there.
If it's not, you have
that's why you have that's why you have the spray gun.
It's like Robin Williams.
Yeah, you got to clean up some messes.
Yeah, clean up some messes.
Yeah.
But what's cool, this is very well insulated. You see this insulation
I
right
see
here?
it.
Very well insulated. It is lit up, so that way things don't freeze. This is a true Four Seasons coach at Chinook. They really believe that they want to set this up to where you can take it anywhere and do anything. So they do a great job at that. I love how solid everything is. More storage. Just and
a ton. Oh, and there's a generator.
This is, there again, another unique van. This is the Maverick 360. So what that means, it has a 360 Expion Lithium system, and it has the Onan 4,000 watt generator. So not only do you have the 600 amp hours of lithium, but you also have the generator. Just like we've always talked about. It's redundancy.
It's people ask for that all the time.
People ask for this is what you have in your van.
Yes.
You have a generator.
But I had to make it like that.
To build it. But you have a generator and you have 600.
Yeah, about 540.
540.
Yeah. Close.
Up a little short.
Yeah, close.
540 amp hours of lithium and your Onan generator. This has a 4,000 watt generator.
Cool.
And the lithium batteries, 600 amp hours of lithium batteries. So,
and I'm sure it still charges when you're driving, all of that
when
stuff.
you're driving. It has a ton of solar on the roof.
Yeah.
Lots of that redundancy. You know, Chinook wants to make sure you have power from batteries, from solar, from charging, from inverter, from a generator. So there's power coming every which way you can do it. But Hank, it's hot.
I'm with you.
Let's get inside.
Yes, you'll get no argument.
Follow me. So this is cool because, you know, Hank drives a Ford Transit. This is a Ford Transit.
Yeah.
But this is like a different version. It's kind of like the Ford Transit Echo.
Yep.
You know, it's a different take on the Transit.
Yeah.
When you walk in here, this is unlike anything you've
and
ever
the Ford
seen.
is easy for you to find places to get oil changes and stuff like that done at the last minute. I do it on the road without making a ton of plans or anything, so that's a benefit.
Oh, this is a ducted air conditioner. This is the rear entry. I like how all the light colors in here and how bright it is. You do have this humongous storage closet here. I mean, this is so big.
Yeah, you can hide away in there.
I can hide away in here.
Yeah, look at that. That's nice.
Big storage.
I mean, all the storage outside and the storage inside of this is really nice.
Yes. Okay, so you have your controls right here, right when you walk in, which is nice. So the Truma is the air conditioner. The Timberline is your hot water and your furnace. And guess what? There is no propane on this van.
Okay.
And that's the way I think all vans should go. This has a diesel or the gas generator, because this is a gas engine.
Yeah.
Gas generator, the Onan 4000. This has electric. This all runs on the batteries or runs on the generator. There's no propane.
And there are people who request that. They want something that doesn't
every day.
Yeah.
It's just hard to find propane. And it's nice that the Timberline does your hot water, the Timberline does your heater, the Truma does your air conditioner, and everything else runs on battery. So, you know, Chinook really is doing something cool with that. Now, we're in a 23-foot RV, 22, 23. You have a separate shower.
Yeah, that's cool.
This is a separate shower, tall, big. You got a handheld, and you have a mount here. Oh, look at this. You have a separate toilet room.
So these don't have to be connected purposes going on here.
They do not.
You can separate these out, or someone could just hide in the bathroom.
And you were on the road for a month. How nice would it have been to have
very nice
a separate deal?
Very nice.
So what's cool is you have a mirror, you have storage, you have fan. I mean, you got lights, you got plug. This is like really nice.
Yeah.
This is awesome.
Yeah.
So this is one of the cool things about Chinook, that they are known for giving you a dry toilet and a separate shower on everything, which is really nice. Big Norcold fridge and freezer, convection microwave, tons of storage here, tons of storage here. But as you're walking, you see now it kind of wide opens, right?
Yeah.
So you have your sink here with this big, huge rectangle sink.
Yeah, it's like a farm style. People always ask me when we do the Chinooks, like, why is it separated? What do you think about that? I don't know if I don't know if it makes anything worse. I think it's good, because if this was going this way, you wouldn't have this big open space.
Correct.
Yeah.
And I think they do that purposely, so you have a bigger sofa and you have a bigger dinette. Like, I love this dinette. I really, really like it.
Yeah, it's good having that space, you know, especially when you're stationary.
So I like their heavy duty hinges. I like how well everything is insulated. How this is all very firm, very sturdy construction. This is their Victron screen here for their inverter, 3,000 watt inverter. It is currently inverting.
Very good.
How cool is that?
Yeah. So weird how that works.
Chinook started being made in the 70s, and they've put this little Coca-Cola thing in every single one.
And these are built in Indiana, right?
Built in Indiana. It's just all wide open. So you got long things you want to store, kind of like the shades here.
This is, I mean, you cannot argue about the storage in
very nice.
Yeah.
I love the long windows. Both sides do open. And this is cool, right? So you have a dinette here. This folds into a bed. You have a sofa here, which is really nice and comfortable. This also folds into a bed. I mean, how comfortable is this, dude?
Yeah.
There's a power button right there. Press that button.
Very nice. What are we doing? This one? Ooh, look at that.
So then, this folds. And
I like that.
And this cool. So now,
you can have a full bed. You could probably put all this together if you really just need to.
100%. But check this out.
Go to town.
This is what I told you. You can sleep just like this.
Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah.
Obviously, you would move the table down.
Right.
But you have lots of room here, or you can sleep this way, just like this.
Yeah.
Sleep here.
Yeah. Yeah. I like this.
So
I like these little, I like how they're putting all these light buttons and everything here. Very convenient. You've been carrying these for a while now. What's the reception to these from folks?
we have. So we've been carrying these for a while. We've been carrying the Chinook Summit, the Maverick, the Bayside. People have loved them. You know, the problem is they're not a newer brand, but they were out of business for 10 or 12 years. So when they kind of revived back, not everyone knows that they're revived back, and so, you know, just getting their name out there. We were at the Tampa Super Show, and we sold a ton. I mean, people walked in, they're like, what in the world is this? Like, fell in love with it. You know, the quality, the construction, what it is, how it drives. I mean, this is the sports
And they're really keeping the name that Chinook had in the past.
100%. 100%. They're all made in Indiana, and I like, you know, you got your big smart TV, you got your Bluetooth.
There's storage behind here, which is
They
crazy.
all have jack. I mean, look at this. So look at that.
Look,
Ton of storage.
no opportunity for storage missed.
Right.
I like
and
that.
they all come standard with jacks. And
Oh, that's nice.
And truthfully, this RV is too small for jacks, but there again, they want to make sure that you have everything you need. With the generator and the lithium and the jacks and the ducted Truma air conditioner, separate shower, separate toilet, Truma rated to go to negative 10 degrees. I don't know exactly what that number is. But cold weather, it's like one of the only RVs like this that's cold weather certified by Truma.
And how is it to drive? You know, we could show folks basically a Ford Transit up here.
It is.
The bigger screen.
Adaptive cruise control. The big screen. You have the all-wheel drive. You have everything that Ford offers. Probably the same stuff you have on your van. You know, lots of transit safety features as well.
Yeah, there's a couple of upgrades on this, and I like what they've done with the seating here to match everything here. Very nice.
I like how you can go back and forth through here. You know, and you know, Chinook being high quality manufacturer like this, everything isn't just entry level. Everything is kind of above that entry level what you're looking at.
So just to not make this a super long video here, I know you do have some other models.
So this is on the Transit, the Chinook Maverick. They also make it on the Mercedes, the Chinook Summit.
And so those are the B pluses.
Those are the B pluses.
Okay, and then there's a regular B.
They have a cool floor plan on that. It's called an Eddy bed. And so it's like that leisure travel with the Murphy bed that goes up and down. They make that in this van. In the same size, they have a Murphy bed.
And then they do have a regular B.
They do. It's called the Bayside, and that's on the Ford Transit as well. And what's unique about that is that it has a separate toilet and shower. Totally separate.
Do they have an option for that with Mercedes as well? That's just a B?
No.
Oh, okay, that's only on the Ford.
Only on the Ford Bayside.
Okay, cool.
Chinook, the Maverick is on the Transit, and Summit is on the Sprinter.
Okay, very cool.
They're making some cool stuff. They're starting to catch on, starting to sell.
They're listening to the customers.
They are.
All that feedback.
Seth does a phenomenal job up there. I mean, he is available for customers to call. They do plant tours all the time. Jeff Butler used to run Monaco. He is running their factory. I mean, great guy. I've had nothing but pleasant experiences with Seth and Jeff, the guys that run it there. And just, I mean, they're putting out a good product. They truly are. I've been happy with them.
So if people want to find out more, how do they do that?
SunshineStateRVs.com. We'll fly in. We'll deliver it for free to your house. And if you want to come in, Hank will take you out to dinner and show you the town.
If I'm here.
He'll buy you a ginger beer.
Right, sure. Why not?
I mean,
I'm not going to say no.
Let's live the life, right? I mean, the ginger beer in Gainesville, Florida. Why not?
All right, so if you're looking for this, check out Sunshine State RV. I think that's pretty much it. We're both hot and ready to get out of here. I'll let you do the honors and end this one.
Yes, thanks for watching. This guy's Strange. I'm Nick.
I'm Stranger Schmidt.
I'm Stranger, Stranger. I'm Stranger, Stranger.
Catch
us on the next one.
Peace.